This is a cheap $15 cooler from Walmart. Filled it up at 10:30 in the morning, and still has a good amount of ice. It is now 5:37 p.m. and it's held up out in the bed of the truck in the elements. I went ahead and customized the lid a little bit. I drilled holes in each spot where there's foam. I did holes, and I filled it up with insulation, expandable insulation, and it holds up to the heat now. Just a little tip, you know. So I haven't cleaned that out. I'm supposed to clean it out and seal the holes with something waterproof so you don't get mold in there. But good amount of time, there's still a very good amount of ice in there. So just a little tip for fishing, hunting, or just being outdoors.